Today I have some slime. We have a little bit of slime, and today we will make some slime. Okay, let's just get started. First, you will need a bowl and a mixing tool. And I forgot to mention, I have my friend here, so she's gonna just say hi. It's just weird. Then you'll need contact lens solution, some baking soda, and if you want, you can add some food coloring. Let's just get started. Okay guys, so now let's just pour some clear glue. That's it. I'll just show you guys just a little bit. Just 1 second here. Pink, but it's actually clear. So now just pour in the contacts on. Just pour like some, not too much. Okay. Now just pour some baking soda. I'll just dump it and I'll show you in a little bit. Okay guys, we just put some baking soda, as you can see. Let's just show you here. Look at that. So now my friend's gonna say something.
Just pour little by little baking soda.
Yeah, okay. Now, so let's just get the spoon here. I'll mix it. So you can see as it becomes, and it is becoming. So make sure it's not becoming really that slimy, but now just add the food coloring if you have some. So I'm just gonna add a little bit to little.
Just pour a few drops.
Okay, I'm just gonna pour like that much. Let's see what happens. Wow, that's actually really good. I'm just gonna make it just a little darker.
If you want it darker, you can pour 2 more drops.
Or more, like how much you want.
Yeah,
like that. Now, you can add some more contact lens solution, so just add some more. Not too much, even though I did add too much, guys. So, okay, my friend's gonna mix here. So it is becoming slimy. Slimy. Okay. Now, I'm just going to get right back to you. We're just going to put a little bit of baking soda.
Again, put little by little. Now let's start mixing.
Okay. So it is really becoming. We'll just see you guys in a little bit. And until the slime becomes. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, the slime is done and this is how it turned out.
Yeah, it turned out so good.
Okay, we'll see you next time. If you like this video, smash that like button and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.